Hi guys, today we'll be covering Unit 5, Lesson 4, Money and Debts. The warm-up starts off with Hi guys, today we'll be covering Unit 5, Lesson 4, Money and Debts. The warm-up is called Concert Tickets. It says Priya wants to buy 3 tickets for a concert. She has earned $135 and each ticket costs $50. She borrows the rest of the money she needs from a bank and buys the tickets. Okay, so it says, how can you represent the amount of money that Priya has after buying the ticket? Okay, so let's do some annotations. It's saying that she has earned $135 and each ticket costs $50. Now, at the beginning of the problem, it told us how many tickets she wants to buy, which is 3 tickets, okay? So, she has $135, which that would be a positive number. Now, after buying the tickets, or not after buying the tickets, but we want to find out what's the total amount of tickets. Now, I can multiply 3 times 150, or 3 times 50, I'm sorry about that, which would be equivalent to 150. Now think about this. If she's spending money, would that 150 be a positive or a negative number? If you guess a negative number, you are absolutely correct. So it would be a negative 150. Now, just like in the lesson before, I said anytime the numbers have different signs, it's the same as subtracting 2 positive numbers. So 150 minus 135 would give me 15. But if we was to draw these numbers on the number line, 150 is negative 150 is the furthest away from 0, right? Or in your world, it might be the bigger number is negative, so therefore our answer would be negative. Okay? So it would be negative 15, and this could represent the amount of money she will have after buying the tickets. Okay? So it says, how much money will Priya need to earn back from the money she's borrowed from the bank? Okay? Now, pick it back into question 1. She would need to borrow $15. So since she needs to borrow $15, right? So it says she would need to earn $15. Let me write that in a complete sentence. And we'll point an arrow saying this is the amount she needs to borrow. And you want to put that Priya needs to earn $15 sorry about that, to pay the bank back. Okay? And it says, how much money will she have after she pays the money she borrowed from the bank? Now, I really don't care for this question, but so I'm going to clean it up for you guys, depending on how the books want us to answer it. All right. Basically, it's trying to say, well, after she borrows the money from the bank, which would be negative 15 from her pockets, and she earns $15, she will have $0 left. Okay? So this is not saying like if she makes more than the $15, because sometimes when people do work, they accumulate more money than what they borrow and they're able to pay the bank back and still have a little something left. But in this problem for question number 3 particular, they're trying to assume that what if she earns the exact amount she, needs to pay the bank back, and it will be negative 15 plus 15, which is equivalent to 0. And just like we discussed in our previous lesson, anytime you add opposites, the sum will be 0. Okay, so if you had any questions on the student warm-up, please make sure you visit your manager's Google Meet session, and I'll see you guys in question 2.